Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. So guys, in this video I will tell you that how you can convert no text file into a PDF file without any external software or tool. So for example, I have a note file open right here. All I have to click on file, then I have to click on print. Then you have to choose Microsoft Print to PDF and then click on print. Don't worry, you are not printing it, you are just try to save that file as a PDF. So click on print, then it will ask the location where you want to save that file by after converting it into PDF document. So I will save that on the desktop by any name. For example, that's the name. Then I will click on save, and after that you can see that it's the file which is saved here. So now I will open it to show you. So now you can see that that's the file which is converted in PDF now. So that's it guys, that's how you can convert a no text file into PDF file and simply save it into your computer. So guys, don't forget to like our video and don't forget to subscribe our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.